Don't complicate things, keep it simple. Hold it down, hey, hey. Love you like my family, we kinfolk. Love it when you smile, show them dimples. Love it when you be my little nympho. Bust it down, ayy. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine. Why you keep on asking about my friend, Bo? Mess around and put up in the friend zone. With you is like being in the end zone. Touchdown, ayy. I be in the box like it's bento. Hit my heart beating, what's the tempo? Ain't the game running through your tempo. Bust down, ayy. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're...
All right, folks, this is surprisingly coming together. Got these cherry KTM 2007 front forks on here. They're like brand new. Seals and everything look like they've been done on it. We added a little fluid just because I'm a heavier rider, so it did stiffen the forks up, but we just had to egg these out just a little bit with the drill bit, and you can mount a mountain bike hydraulic brake up to it, so that's sweet, guys. We've got to move them bars a little bit. We're going to put a rear shock on next, man, and we're ready to try these motocross style forks out on this Razor MX 650. It's looking good, huh, Buck? Got the hack off the tabs on that, open up the hole for the through bolt from the triple trees, and then re-drill some holes. Got that mounted back up. It's a little bit off, but you can't tell a whole lot. I can straighten it up. Now we got the XR50R style rear shock. I think this is a 9.5-inch shock, like 240 millimeter approximately. Same setup as his bike here. So he seems to be jumping is really good, and I kind of like how the stance is a little higher with putting these shocks on. But guys, if you want to get a set of these, I got these for a steal on eBay, and I'm telling you, it makes for a hell of a nice ride. These forks are awesome, guys. Don't get me wrong. From slamming down with wheelies, it didn't chatter around like pogo sticks like those other or like the stock forks. So these forks do fine. So if we get another one, a third one, we're just going to slap it to it and put this 190 mil cheaper rear shock, coil shock on the back of our next build. We're thinking about building one for Mommy and Sissy, right? Mm-hmm. So the putt around one. So so we'll keep that suspension set up for that. But let's get this rear shock on and see how this bike looks.
Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine.
There she is, guys. There was the stock shock. It was just a cheap adjustable coil shock. It did the trick. Put it in a decent stance. Wasn't the best ride in the world. I guess we'll get it down here and see what it feels like. Those eyelets and those bushings could probably be swapped out. I think there's going to be a little bit of movement there. That ain't too bad, actually. But, man, we got to get it off the stand, huh, Junior? Let's see what this thing looks like. Guys, look at this thing now. We're ready for the pit bike jumps. So we're already starting some pit bike jumps back here. That's why I wanted to upgrade the suspension. Look at this, guys. Now, if it feels like it's jacked up a little too far, I'm gonna get a little bit more sag, probably put it on a lower setting. That coil is pretty big. I think it's like a pit bike style XR50 coil. I'll put that in the link. Yeah, I got it set on it, bud. So now we had a tire pinch flat. Actually, a spoke drove through into the tube. It came loose. So we're gonna put that motocross tire back on here, and she'll be ready to ride. All right, we just took a quick test run, and it was it's awesome. It feels like more something an adult should ride, and it's just awesome. I can't wait to get this thing out on our pit bike track we're starting to build out here. And stay tuned for that, guys. We're already working on one jump out here. We're kind of taking out the big 30-footer that used to be right here. It's kind of like our jump to do some freestyle, whatever one. We're making a full-fledged pit bike track out here. This thing is awesome. It really is so easy now. It's almost scary. Even like going like 25 mile an hour. So the old 48 mile an hour, 3,000 watt, I should say 5,000 watt Razor MX 650. It's pretty badass now, guys. It is pretty badass. Check her out. Look at this stance on that thing. We'll see how long that shock holds up. If it doesn't hold up, I'll try to get my hands maybe on an authentic Honda one, or just try to find another 240 mil something. Because I like the height. It might be just a hair high in the back, but I just kind of like the feel. So we'll skate with this a little bit. There she is, guys. We'll be back in here probably sometime later on, or tomorrow when we get some sunshine. I'm gonna take these bad boys out for a rip for you all, and let you know what we think. Now it's time to get this MX wheel on the back here, and we'll be ready to rip. All right, guys, so here we are finally getting out. We've had a ton of rain with this hurricane here in south central Pennsylvania. I did get another shock in. We just slapped it on real quick. It's the DNM downhill mountain bike style shock. It seems to have a lot better fill than that cheapo pit bike 240 millimeter, and this is 220 millimeter. So I feel like the ass end of the bike was up a little bit too high, so I feel like this gives the bike a little bit better geometry. But we're gonna go into the town where I grew up and get the bikes out and go for a ride, guys. We'll see you there. All right, guys, we finally got a little break with the rain, but there is gonna be water puddles everywhere. Woo! Oh man, these shocks are so much better. I just ate that speed bump like nothing. I wonder if Junior hit it. Oh my gosh, man, this is so much fun. We'll get back here and check some stuff out, guys. Anybody new to watching this vid or watching anything about the Razor here? Oh, that is so muddy. This old girl is a 48 mile an hour Razor. And we're just coming back here to check some stuff out here. Thought we'd do a quick little turnaround. If you're new to the video here, this is the 72 volt 20 amp hour battery, the 3000 watt Conray motor, and it has the 80 amp far driver. It's impressive, guys. It really is. Junior, he's running 48 volts, 2000 watt, and a cheap Chinese controller. It does all right for him, but he needs to upgrade to a far driver, and then I think he'll have a lot more fun with it. We are running the GPS here today, guys. See how far we actually go. Yeah, so we got to be careful. I got the stock tire on here because it does better on the streets. I do have a whole nother wheel set up with a motocross tire on it, and that thing hooks up so much better than this. I think it actually wheelies better too. It just doesn't work near as good on the streets. Obviously, have an aggressive tread. There's Amazon. Dang, she just brought me my shock. And this suspension is so much better now, guys, with these forks. All right, we are going to go just, I don't know, cruise around. Maybe we'll find something to freestyle up, guys. What was this? Oh yeah, dude. Oh man, the suspension is great. I'm sure we'll draw. I'm sure some people will be watching us because these are aggressive looking racers. I would say. Yeah guys, so I haven't made any kind of adjustments to this shock yet. I just threw it on. It came in and we just threw it on. I didn't like how the 240 millimeter, it feels like it's just a little bit higher than the front with the front as high as they can go. And I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna get one of these for my son because the little bit that I've rode on it already, just that little sidewalk jump, you can just tell it's so much better. Just down some town ripping. We're gonna take up right here at the post office. Oh my little buddy back there, he's ready to go. He's all standing up. Yeah guys, so it's really wet. We want to kind of get into, you know, going to different places and kind of freestyling. Obviously we're setting these bikes up for a pit bike track at our house, and we're actually gonna, you know, put these bikes to the test, honestly. Yeah, this new suspension setup too is dude, we did that side by side. It's awesome, buddy. I'm no expert at wheelies, guys, but I'm gonna work on them, so we'll make that a challenge. Maybe we'll make a whole video of me just practicing the wheelie game up and stuff here. It's kind of funny because I feel like something inside me, I feel like, you know, like what we're doing is illegal, but I guess it's technically not. It's an e-bike, right? There's sister. There's sister, buddy. I know her. I just can't think of her name. I honestly can't think of her name right now. Woo! Not trying to draw too much attention, guys. So we're not going to just ball around like 40 mile an hour everywhere. Obviously, Junior's bike tops at around 30, so do that, but yeah, we're not trying to draw too much attention, but at the same time, we're trying to have some fun while we're out here. Hey guys, where shall we go now? My old hometown. We now live out of state, but it's literally a stone throw away, so. It's so funny. Everybody's like second looking at us and like, what the hell are they doing? I'm sure they don't see this every day in the good old town of Emmitsburg. Alright. Alright, come on, bub. Oh, that's mode 3. Yeah, it's like I have to reset the bar driver. Woo! Little power wheelie there, folks. Oh yeah, man, these things are so much fun. I highly recommend. Oh man, it's heating up. That sun's trying to come out, Buck. Highly recommend if you're considering a pit bike. It's just all out. Think about building one of these. You will not regret it, guys. Alright guys. Oh man, I'm seeing all kinds of little freestyle things we could probably bring up. Guys, we'll bring that in another video. Maybe we'll scope some stuff out. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff we could do. All right, we're cruising up the sidewalk. This is so much fun. Oh, I think I've said that like 1,000 times. Watch the gravel, bud. Oh, there's the ramp step. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, we got a steel plate. We got a ramp. All right, car, buddy. Yeah, it just it's an adjustment for the wheelies. I've been trying to practice a little bit, guys, and then redoing the suspension. It's definitely made it a little different. It comes up like with zero effort. Oh man, these are the old streets I grew up on. This is crazy. Buddies used to live down this street. We're gonna get down nosy as we can, just to be nosy. Car, buddy. Keep in mind it's wet, dude. Okay. All right, go ahead, buddy, go ahead. Jump it, Junior, got you on camera. Yeah, dude. We got a car here, buddy. We're gonna turn left, okay? Oh, dude, that was like freaking butter going on off of that there. I gotta give him hand signals. I feel bad sometimes. I get on him, not coming up on me quick, but sometimes he doesn't know which way to turn, so it's kind of my fault sometimes. So, come on, bro! Yeah, dude! Dude, I had the freaking wheel wheelie up over me. I wasn't even trying. Alright, we're gonna turn left here, bud. Oh, there's a big one. Yeah, dude! Stop sign! Stop sign! Stop sign! He blew it again. Oh my gosh, he's so horrible. Stop signs. Alright, now I'm gonna jump. You can't be doing that. You gotta look for it, okay? Alright guys, do you see what I see? I'm talking we could come through here and jump this, right? Now obviously guys, we just got all kinds of rain from this storm. We will definitely come back to hit this, huh bud? Yeah. Does that sound cool? Alright guys, just jumping over here to check the Far Driver app out real quick. Temps are good, coming down a little bit. We're showing 79% battery. Here we are back here again, guys. Woo, woo. All right, guys, we're gonna rip a little bit more, and we pretty much ripped clean across to the little town of Emmitsburg. All over in a matter of minutes, probably, but We're gonna rip a little more, see if any kind of little freestylish stuff comes out at us. Obviously we can't get grass really. Floppy. Woo! Yeah, forgot about coming up this way. Right back this way, buddy, I do believe. Little Liberty Bell. 1897. I don't know who built this. All this here, but that's really cool. Somebody with some good fab skills welded all that up, buddy. Jump, dude. So much fun. So we just got a 72 volt blue battery on it right now, 20 amp hour. I can only punch out like 60 amps, and I'm pushing out a little over that at 65 amps. And it's just one of those things, like you can push a little bit more on the BMS than what you should. All right, let me start over. Some people push just a little bit over that. I think 60 amp continuous. I want to get something to bump it up just a little bit and maybe get the one motor from Electro-Co. Obviously it's like, oh man, I wouldn't want to do anything more than this, but you always grab him for more, you know. So maybe I could hook him up with this battery and look at getting something else. I'm looking at Emerge, and I don't know, leave in the comments if you guys got anything that we could get here in the States. But that's what I've been eyeing up anyhow. So guys, we're probably gonna wrap this up very soon here, buddy. Come on. All right, buddy. So guys, we're gonna wrap it up here and head back to the truck. It's only right across the way there. Junior wants to hit this speed bump again. He's all about catching air now. Go for it, buddy. So much fun. All right, buddy, last jump. Hit it, bud. Hit it. Hit it. Yeah, stop sign. All right, guys. I guess this is gonna about wrap it up here. So, she was impressed. She liked your bike, dude. All right, guys, so we're gonna end it here with seeing what kind of mileage we put down. I don't think we've really put down a whole lot of miles, guys, but there you have it, us getting out here with the new suspension. We'll catch you next time, guys. I'll drop in the comments or drop in the clip here of what kind of mileage we hit. All right, I thought instead of just dropping this in the video, I'll just tell you guys, obviously my top speed wasn't that crazy. I was having him not drive too fast. 33.8. And we did a 42-minute ride and did 7.5 miles, guys. All right, so we're gonna be done riding for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Comment down below if you got anything good to say about our setups here, guys. We got a pit bike track coming soon, guys. We're gonna also be doing some freestyling. I got a bee that's trying to get me and building a pit bike track at our house. So stay tuned for that, guys. It's really wet and muddy right now, so that's kind of putting the delay on things, guys. But thanks for watching Digging Deep. Until next time.